Hi, welcome to automation testing.in. In this video, we will see FIT block. So in our previous videos, we already seen that what is it block. Here we will see FIT means fit, whatever you call, but it is FIT. So FIT is how we have F described the same way. FIT means focused it. If specs are focused, only those that are focused will be executed. It is a very similar, very exactly to what F describe is. If you have more than one describes, in that what are the focus only will be executed. At the same way, if you have more than one it block, only focus it blocks will be get executed. So for that, we'll take one example and see how exactly it will work. So go to the Visual Studio Code. In the specs, I'll create a new if it block demo, otherwise fit demo, I can say simply fit demo.js. So I'll copy paste something from other file, will not waste our time. So here, but here what I'll do, I'll take only one describe with multiple it blocks, as I don't need multiple describe blocks here to demonstrate this. So I'll remove these things. So I have a describe, and inside that I have 3 it blocks, right? When I try to execute this, so I need to go to this one, I change it to fit demo, right? So I'll clear this and then I'll simply execute this. We'll see it now. It will execute all the it blocks, right? Inside the describe have 3 it blocks. When I execute that, it will execute all the 3 it blocks. You see that 3 it blocks, 3 specs, 0 failure. Okay, now I want to execute only particular it block. So now simply I'll put F in front of this. I want to execute only second one, so I just mention F in front of this fit. So now I'll clear this and I'll try to execute the same thing. Now it will execute only second it block, as that is focused. You see that this is second it block and ran one of 3 specs. It executed only 1 spec, but I have 3 specs, but only this is the one focused. That is the reason it is the only one executing. Okay, in real time you have multiple it blocks inside a describe. Let's assume 20 it blocks inside a describe, but in the 20 you want to execute only 1 or 2 or 3. So that time if you mention F in front of those 3 it blocks, then only those 3 it blocks will get executed. So that is the import, the important of FIT. Otherwise, the one of the important features in Jasmine that whatever it block you want to execute, only that can be executed using FIT, focused IT. Okay, this is all about FIT. It is very similar to F describe, right? Okay, that's all about FIT. Before concluding this, I have a small request. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for further updates. Thank you.